Hey guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Morning ritual, we're going to go ahead and start up the 335i, let it warm up just for a little bit. I will be taking it out tomorrow morning, so we'll do a vlog there on that video. But I just want to say congratulations to Chip Bonner for winning my prize giveaway that I had. This was a quick giveaway that I did as far as the video. I'll post it up here at the top here so you guys can check that out. Thanks everyone for all your comments on there. You know, they're truly great to read a lot of this stuff that you have to say, why you wanted to win. That was my first initial prize giveaway format that I did, as far as putting down in the comment section as far as why you should win. But you know, Chip had a great story. So I don't pick the winner. All you guys being the viewer pick by liking the comment that he had on there. I had the most out of everybody right away, so it was a clear winner how Chip won. Now Chip is an active viewer of mine, so appreciate that, Chip, for watching the videos, checking out the DIYs, the informational stuff, you know, messaging me on Facebook, all that kind of stuff. Thanks again for sharing as well. So the 335i is his outlet. You know, being a single dad of 3, you know, the cars for us is technically a huge thing, as far as, you know, we can do modifications to it. It's just some fun stuff to do, right? You connect with other people with the same car and you share the same interests. It's all about being an enthusiast and all that kind of stuff. So I'm happy that, of course, Chip won. But the other part of this video is, so round 2, it's coming back already as far as prize giveaway within the next week, so stay tuned for that. I'll keep you guys updated on that piece. Check out my Instagram, BMW Fanatic _ YouTube. I will let you know ahead of time when I'm going to be doing that, but there is a new one coming soon. More modifications, actually, surprise modification coming the way to the channel, so we'll have that, and of course a bunch of other new DIYs that are coming right away. And as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Lots of great stuff to come, even this month. Take care. Thanks, guys.